Welcome to another short vlog. So we're here at the original Som's Noodle House. It's an authentic Thai food located at E&M Building, Doña Carmen Street, Poblacion Mkt. Dalawa lang kami ni Brian, trip lang namin mag-dinner, and as you can see the menu, ang dami niyong pagpipilian and yung mga food nila sobrang affordable. Wala sila sa Grab or Food Panda. Make sure to visit their Facebook page kasi mayroon isang Som's na fake, so huwag kayo dun mag-order. So the first thing that we ordered is spring rolls. This one is only 238 pesos. Good for 2 and 3 na din siya kasi mabigat sa tiyan, siksik, hindi tinipid, and yung sauce nila sobrang sarap. As in, may pagka-sweet and sour and spicy, malasang malasa. And then the next one is my favorite pad thai for only 338 pesos. Guys, ang dami ng serving. So, mobra pa yan. May pina-take out pa kami. Tapos, sabayan nyo pa ng isang Coke in ka na malamig na malamig. Sayang naubusan sila ng Thai milk tea. Gustong-gusto ko pa naman i-try. And then the red curry fried rice beef for only 358 na napakadami. Oh, siksik talaga. Tapos, yung somtam na parang salad na may mango, tomato, and carrots for only 258. Spicy and